Oh great, you're back, chef. What you got cooking?
Alright, love. What are you up to? Oh, you're up to some cooking with some suet. Same as me. What have we got here? This is suet. Nobody knows what this is. This is vegetable suet, which is slightly less disgusting. So, well, it's Rastafari.
You're taking this old school, homie.
I think this is like pellets or something. It's like cat food or something, the vegetarian version. Ranking it.
Rastafari. Haha, bruv.
See what I can do with this. You know what you're thinking? Have you got tin helmet now? No, I haven't. This is a mixing bowl, and I'm going to mix some cooking.
What a dickhead.
Right, I'm making some dumplings today.
It's old school.
This is self-raising flour, and this is the suet. I saw that earlier. See if this looks lovely or whatever. No, it doesn't. It looks rank. Put that in there. I'm guessing how much. I don't have the tools for measuring stuff. I'll twice as much of this. That's probably right, innit? Shit, I didn't film that very well, did I? Oh well, I'll put it in there, that's it. And then I need to make balls out of that and stick it in some stew. Put a pinch of salt in there, and then you sort of do this or something. To make balls, essentially. Don't want to make much, it's just for me. I'm not making a load just for the sake of it. Just want a couple of dumplings, really, that's it. Now, I would have thought these pellets would have broken down or something, but they're all lumpy and weird, so I suppose I just keep working on that. This makes no sense to me at all. It's like cat food and cat sick. It feels horrible, it's all pellety and stiff.
Rustle up some dumplings for me right now.
I hate cooking, to be honest. I mean, I've not done any of these shows for a good week or so now. I've just been eating crisps and chips, and yeah, but you know, I knew some of you needed a bit of cooking inspiration or whatever, so I'm back.
I'm starving, Fozz, and I want some dumplings. Yummy, 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 mmmmmmm. Please make like I'm Greg Wallace and rustle up some dumplings for me right now.
Now I just need to make balls using floured hands.
Rustle up some dumplings for me right now.
Let me show you that again in case it's...
Supposed to have floured hands. I have no idea. It's just annoying, isn't it? Sticks to your hands, whatever. Sick of it. Now they're too dry or something. The thing is, I'm worried if it's too liquidy, which they were, I'll just pop them into my stew and they'll just sink and just make my stew rank. This is getting better, probably. Probably should have floured my hands properly. Better, whatever. I mean, I did a bit, but I've sort of absolutely no idea what I'm doing, you know what I mean? But, you know, persevere, I'm sure it'll taste nice in the end. This looks good, doesn't it?
Rustle up some dumplings for me right now.
God, get off my hands. I don't think I've even eaten dumplings since I was a kid. My mum used to make them, but even she's not made them in years. Do you eat them at home? Send in your dumpling recipes.
This is like a green bean and kidney bean and coconut curry that I made yesterday. Not a curry, sorry, a stew. And then I'm going to stick those balls on top of this and see what happens. It's fine step for you. I want it on dead low heat because this stuff's already cooked. I need to simmer it 20 minutes for really nice for this. This could go wrong. It would be a first. Something going wrong on cooking with Fozz. I just don't know what it's going to do. I'm genuinely frightened. It's frightening stuff as well, isn't it? Horrible. What is it? What is that? Right. Right, that's happening. Is that good? They look like they're sinking. That's the last thing that I want to happen. because they'd just be rank blobs in a stew, won't they? What's going on here? Rise, motherfuckers, rise! Come on now. You know what to do. Weird. What are you doing?
I'm starving, Fozz, and I want some dumplings. Yummy, 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 yummy,
This bottle of Prosecco looks good, doesn't it? It's not though, because it's not 70 centilitres. Get out. Been tricked by Cardo. Been tricked again. So that's my dumpling there. Just gonna eat that. Yeah, it's alright. Not sure I really like dumplings, to be honest. Oh well, worth a try.
While the technique spin, the wax says on